Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2014 Chrysler Town & Country minivan, and I will show you how you can adjust the steering wheel position based on your arm length, seat position and personal preferences. This video will apply to Town & Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, just under the steering wheel there will be a black lever. I will zoom it in and turn on the flash on my phone so you can see it better. So it's right here. Now, to unlock the steering wheel you want to pull it all the way down, just like this, and then the steering wheel will be completely loose. Now you can raise it up or down, and you can push it in or pull it out. See? Now, and once you're happy with the position of the steering wheel, you want to push this black lever all the way up until it clicks, and that will lock the steering wheel in place. Now, one more tip: never do this while you are driving. So you can adjust the steering wheel while you are parked, and ideally the vehicle is turned off. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.